Hi, I'm Greg Siskind. I'm going to be talking to you today about ChatGPT. I'm not going to be talking about immigration law, and I apologize for the title problem of the slide, but I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT, AI in general, and how lawyers can be using these products in your practice and how you should not be using them in your practice as well. We're going to talk about, in general, ChatGPT, some of the competing products, various use cases for how you can use the products, and then we'll get into some of the cautions. And obviously, a lot of people are thinking about that now after the Avianca case, but we will be getting into that and be then talking a little bit about sort of what some of the takeaways are for what you can be looking at using these technologies in your practice in the months to come. So to start with, as far as artificial intelligence, one of the questions that I think the fundamental questions we need to deal with is what is it and why, and what's the difference between generative AI and what you're hearing about now versus what you've been hearing about in the past. Artificial intelligence is something that has been defined in a lot of different ways. I like the definition that artificial intelligence is the study of how to make real computers act like the ones in the movies. And that sort of just brings home the point that there's not a clear definition. But I do think that the use of AI to basically mimic human-centered process or human intelligence is probably the easiest way to think about it. As far as AI and making it a little less intimidating for people, I think a lot of times it's just helpful to know that you've already been using AI for years. And once it sort of gets to be built into your into things that you're doing every day, people don't think of it as AI anymore. But it is helpful, I think, to at least recognize some of the ways that you're using it already. So, for example, if you use your phone to take pictures, the AI that's in your phone is improving those pictures, and it does all kinds of things that make you a better photographer than you would be just using an old-fashioned camera. If you have used Uber or you use Google Maps, and it's picking out the best routes and telling you how to avoid traffic and how to get to the route in the fastest way, you're using AI. If you're writing a document in Word and it's giving you spelling